city learners, today we are going to start with chapter 13, that is India Wins Freedom. So in this chapter I will tell you about INC, that is Indian National Congress, the partition of Bengal, कैसे कैसे partition हुआ है बंगाल का, and Swadeshi movement, rise of revolutionaries, World War First and returning of गांधी जी. और गांधी जी लीड्स द नेशन, कि गांधी जी ने कैसे कैसे नेशन को लीड करा है. इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी, इंडियन बिकम फ्री. सो द फेलियर इन द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, जो फेलियर हुआ है आपका फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस में, इंडिया थिंक्स दैट it becomes so weak, so how could few British ruler rule over them, कि कैसे इतने से ब्रिटिश जो है वो हम पे रूल कर रहे हैं. So why maybe India supported British in the war of freedom? It made them think of their shortcoming, right? And several social evils, soon they realized the cause of disunity and crime. मतलब जल्दी उन्हें क्या हुआ, रियलाइज हुआ कि जो एक तो डिसयूनिटी थी हमारे बीच में और क्वारल थी, लड़ाई झगड़ा था, right? The common grievances resulted into national awakening, which can call beginning of Indian national movement. For the first time, Indians have been think and feel at national levels. ठीक है, सबसे पहले जो इंडिया है, they had been, उन्होंने क्या करा, फील करा, उन्होंने सोचा at the national level, and then come the Indian National Congress. जितने भी एजुकेटेड इंडियंस थे और कुछ इंग्लिश मैन थे, दे ऑल सपोर्टेड एंड कम टुगेदर. ये एक साथ आते 1885 में, एंड व्हाट दे फॉर्म इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. जो इनका फर्स्ट सेशन था वो कब होता है, बॉम्बे में होता है, नाउ इन मुंबई. आफ्टर दैट इट्स मीट इन डिफरेंट सिटीज एवरी ईयर. उसके बाद अलग अलग सिटीज में ये मीट करते हैं. एट फर्स्ट व्हाट हैपेंड, द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस डज नॉट रेज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल. इन्होंने क्वेश्चन रेज नहीं करा. जो मेन डिमांड थी वो क्या थी, कि आप रिफॉर्म्स लेके आओ. क्या लेके आओ, रिफॉर्म्स लेके आओ, जिससे आप इनेबल करो इंडिया को टू हैव अ फ्री एंड बेटर लाइफ. आप क्या होना चाहिए, इंडिया की फ्री और बेटर लाइफ होनी चाहिए अंडर द ब्रिटिश रूल. एंड सम सच लीडर्स एट दैट टाइम वर, कौन कौन थे आपके दादा भाई नौरोजी, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले एंड WC बनर्जी. They believed that they could persuade the British to bring about the changes, and they were referred to as moderates. ठीक है, ये moderates थे, मतलब बहुत शांत लोग थे. And there were other several leaders who were not in favor of such soft approach, and they would gain nothing by the following such approach. They preferred to be stronger and more active. ठीक है, वो क्या प्रेफर करते थे, ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर और ज्यादा एक्टिव in a position to British with the support of the people. What happened, the strong leaders came to be known as extreme. जितने भी strong rulers थे उनको हम क्या बोलते थे, extremist बोलते थे. Some of the leader of this group were बाल गंगाधर तिलक, बिपिन चंद्र पाल और लाला लाजपत राय and Tilak. They declared that तिलक ने क्या, freedom is my birthright and I will have it. और इन्होंने एक न्यूज़पेपर निकाला जिसका नाम था केसरी, जो किसके बारे में स्पोक करता था, अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश, एंड हिज एफर्ट्स वर अरोज द फीलिंग ऑफ पेट्रियोटिज्म इन इंडिया. ठीक है, इंडियंस के अंदर ये फील लेके आया पेट्रियोटिज्म की फीलिंग. देन होता है पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल, बंगाल का पार्टीशन हो जाता है, एंड द ब्रिटिश वर वरीड अबाउट द ग्रोइंग फीलिंग ऑफ नेशनलिज्म. They realize that if the people of India got united, अगर जो लोग हैं इंडिया के वो यूनाइट हो जाएंगे, they could easily throw them out. And they adopted the policy of divide and rule. और इन्होंने कौन सी पहले पॉलिसी अडॉप्ट करी, डिवाइड एंड रूल की. They wanted Indians to be divided on the basis of religion. ये क्या चाहते थे, कि हम क्या करें, इंडियंस को डिवाइड करें, किस बेसिस पे, रिलीजन के बेसिस पे. So at that time what happened, the feeling of nationalism was the strongest in Bengal, and in 1905 they decided to divide Bengal into two parts. इन्होंने क्या करा, बंगाल को दो पार्ट्स पे डिवाइड करा. एक था आपका हिंदूज और दूसरे क्या थे, मुस्लिम्स. राइट, स्वदेशी मूवमेंट and India strongly opposed the division of Bengal, and anger of people gave rise to स्वदेशी मूवमेंट. और जो एंगर था, गुस्सा था लोगों के अंदर, उससे क्या होता है, स्वदेशी मूवमेंट होती है, which means that on country people were pledged to use goods made in their own country, and what they boycotted, they boycotted the British good. ठीक है, उन्होंने बॉनफायर करा ब्रिटिश गुड को, स्पेशली जो क्लोथ थे, which were made at several places. Women and student also participated in the movement, and it started in Bengal. Soon वो क्या हो गई, other parts पे भी spread हो गई. The British tried to ruthlessly put down the movement, and people were fired, mercilessly beaten. And but since the opposition to the partition of Bengal was strong, जो partition हो गया था वो बहुत ज़्यादा strong हो गया था, and they were forced to reunite. Now, rise of revolutionary. After the partition of Bengal, movement of the Indians who believe in fighting the British using arms to force out of India. And they gained strength. Several young people, they were willing to sacrifice their lives for the country, formed groups. The movement spread to many states of India. Indian settlers in the USA and what they formed, Gadar Party, and to help whom? Revolutionaries. Important revolutionary were Aurobindo Ghosh, Barun Ghosh, Khudrim Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Jai Guru, Udham Singh and many others. And the movement was not very successful. Its appeal was limited to the young people. And since the revolutionaries resorted to the violent means to protest, and it was not joined by the general masses. ठीक है, general people थे, general groups of people थे, they did not join it. वर्ल्ड वॉर फर्स्ट एंड रिटर्निंग ऑफ गांधी जी. वर्ल्ड वॉर फर्स्ट कब होता है आपका? 1940 में. एंड लैक ऑफ इंडियन सोल्जर्स, दे फॉट विद द ब्रिटिश army, thousands were killed, and India thought that British would be more sympathetic towards them after the war. However, it did not happen. The British become more harsh towards India. British और ज़्यादा harsh हो गए Indians के लिए, and they opposed fresh tax to recover the losses they suffer. So it was this time in 1940 that an Indian lawyer जिनका नाम था मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, he returned to India from South Africa. His arrival in the Indian political science changed the scenario completely. For the next 30 years, what happened? He led the struggle of the Indian people. इन्होंने क्या करा? Struggle देखा Indian लोगों का, and then Gandhi ji leads the nation. So Mahatma Gandhi, who is the father of nation, in 1940, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. With this began the last phase of the struggle. So after returning to India, Gandhiji, what happened? Gandhiji traveled all over the country and he was shocked to see the poverty of the people. He decided to fight against the English and against some social and religious practice also, especially the caste system, right? Which kept the people of India divided and backward. He realized to unify Indians and the social evil has to be removed. He started working towards his एम और उन्होंने अपने एम की तरफ काम करना स्टार्ट करा एंड ही रीनेम द अनटचेबल्स. क्या नाम रखा? हरिजन्स, मीन्स पीपल ऑफ गॉड. In South Africa, Gandhiji has protested against the racist policy of the white rule. His method of protesting was known as सत्याग्रह. और ये किस पे बेस्ड था? ट्रुथ एंड नॉन वायलेंस पे. नेक्स्ट कम रॉलेक्ट एक्ट एंड जलियांवाला बाग मिसकैरे. So in 1990, British passed a new law called Rowlatt Act. इसमें क्या कहा गया था इस वाले लॉ में कि आप किसी को भी अरेस्ट कर सकते हो बिना किसी ट्रायल के. एंड गांधी जी asked the people to protest against unjust law and demonstration and meeting were held over the nation. One such peaceful meeting was held on 13th April 1990 at a big park of Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar. About 20,000 men and women children attended the meeting and one British officer जिनका नाम था General Dyer, what he did, he decided to teach people a lesson and he came in about 150 soldiers. They blocked the only way of the park. एक ही वे था उस पार्क का, उसको ब्लॉक कर दिया and what happened, they fired and let endlessly and the people were trapped and guns blazed and hundreds of innocent men and women, children lost their life. उनकी life lost हो गई. After no one was allowed to remove the dead or attend the wounded, the high authorities tried to suppress the news, but it spread all over the country. लेकिन ये पूरी country में फैल गई and a wave of shock, anger spread all over the country and people urged to fight against the British government. और लोग क्या कर रहे थे? अर्ज कर रहे थे कि हम fight करेंगे against the British government. So non-cooperation movements, shooting and attitudes of the British government, वो क्या करता है? गांधी जी को कन्विंस करता है एंड पीपल ऑफ इंडिया टू रूल एंड रूल वॉज करप्ट, कि इनका जो रूल है वो करप्ट है एंड व्हाट इंडिया वांट्स टू बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट, राइट. सो इन 1920 गांधी जी क्या लॉन्च करते हैं? नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट एंड ही आस्क्स द पीपल टू डिसओबे लॉज पीसफुली, कि आप डिसओबे करो लेकिन पीसफुली, शांतिपूर्वक करो, लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करना है. बट चौरी चौरा का इंसिडेंट हो जाता है यूपी में जिसमें 20 policemen died, उन पे लाठी चार्ज हो जाता है and Gandhi ji was against the violence and what he withdrew the movement immediately. He firmly believed that movement could only succeed if it was non-violent. Movement जब ही succeed कर सकते हैं अगर वो non-violent हुई, right? He was arrested by British and put in jail during the non-cooperation movement. Leaders such as Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, C. Rajagopalachari, Maulana Azad, Chittaranjan Das, ठीक है, मोतीलाल नेहरू, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, all participated here actively. फिर आ जाती है आपकी सिमन कमीशन, right? And what British wanted? They wanted to make such changes in the way of India as governed. In 1928, committee under Sir Simon called Simon Commission, इन्होंने काम करना स्टार्ट करा. There was no Indian, कोई भी इंडियन नहीं था कमीशन में. He angered Indians and they decided to boycott the commission. They staged demonstration and they shouted slogan, Simon, go back. फिर आती है सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट. So in December 1922, Congress demanded Purn Swaraj, complete independence from government. And it was soon began in early 1930 under leadership of Gandhiji. And it started with a Dandi march and Gandhiji और जो followers थे, they walked from the Sabarmati ashram, right, to Dandi. And what he did, he broke the salt law and Indians were not allowed to make salt. क्योंकि जो Indians थे, उनको allowed नहीं था कि आप salt नहीं बना सकते. So Gandhiji showed the British that the people were no more going to obey the British laws. The movement soon spread to other parts of India. और जो movement थी वो क्या हो गया, अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया के वहाँ भी फैल गई. फिर उसके बाद आती है क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. Means the British arrested 10 of the thousands of people but could not crush the movement. Finally, they were forced to introduce reforms and in 1935 they passed Government of India Act. यहाँ पे इलेक्शन हुए थ्रू आउट द कंट्री. कांग्रेस he won the province and what happened, they formed the government, but real power still remained in the hands of Britain. So World War II broke out in 1939. British declared the war on behalf of it without talking to the Indian leaders. In protest जो Congress ministries थी, what they did, they resigned and the Congress declared that India would not join the war until the British granted complete independence. जब तक ब्रिटिश को complete independence नहीं दिलेगा. So they had talks with the British, but their talks failed and the Congress under the leadership of Gandhiji, what they launched, Quit India movement. और कब लॉन्च हुई थी? 1942 में. गांधीजी gave the message to people, do or die, करो या मरो. It meant that we wins freedom or die are the same. गांधीजी and other leaders were arrested. गांधीजी और उनके साथ जो different leaders थे वो arrest हुए and there were violent protests. ठीक है, violent protest था all over the country. Now Indian National Army, that is INA. So Subhash Chandra Bose have been elected as the president of Indian National Congress. कौन थे president of Indian National Congress? That is Subhash Chandra Bose. He believed that independence could only be achieved by fighting. उन्हें क्या लगता था कि हम तभी ही इंडिपेंडेंस मिल सकता है अगर हम ब्रिटिशर से लड़ाई करें. तो वो एक आज़ाद हिंद फौज मतलब इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी फॉर्म करते हैं एंड इट वाज कंपोज्ड ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑफ इंडियन सोल्जर्स हु हैड बीन कैप्चर्ड बाय प्रिजनर्स ऑफ वॉर इन बाय जापान. So later many volunteers joined it, right, and they give the slogan Jai Hind. To get the international support and effort, Bose escaped from India and traveled to Afghanistan, to Germany and then to Japan. So with the help of Japanese, जितने भी Indian National Army थी वो British के against fought करते हैं on the northeastern boundary and initially they pushed back the British, but the monsoon rains gave time to the British to reorganize. And finally what happened, they defeated the Indian National Army. और वो क्या करते हैं? इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी को डिफीट करते हैं. नाउ इंडिया बिकम्स फ्री. इतनी सारी फॉर्मेलिटी इसके बाद आप देखेंगे कि इंडिया फ्री हो जाता है बाय द टाइम ऑफ वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड एंड इन 1945 ब्रिटिश रियलाइज दैट दे कुड नॉट नो लॉन्गर कीप इंडिया अंडर देयर कंट्रोल. कि अब हम इंडियंस को अपने कंट्रोल में नहीं रख सकते. राइट, दे हैव शेकन देम, सो दे एग्रीड टू मूव आउट ऑफ इंडिया. उन्होंने कहा कि अब हम इंडिया से बाहर चले जाएंगे एंड दे स्टार्टेड डिस्कशन विद द कांग्रेस एंड मुस्लिम लीग. So divide and rule policy of the British have been successful in dividing Hindu and Muslim. Muslim League under the leadership of Jinnah, what they demanded, separate nation for the Muslim. Gandhiji was against the division of India. India got an independence on 15th August and but was divided into two nations. पर ये दो nations में divide हो जाती है, India and Pakistan. On his historic occasion, Jawaharlal Nehru said what? At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India awake too for the life and the freedom. Right? जब सब सो जाते हैं उस टाइम इंडिया के लोग उठते हैं लाइफ के लिए और अपने फ्रीडम के लिए. Right? So this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.